Are you looking for a personal blenders? In this video, I will show you the 5 best personal blenders based on my personal opinion and hours of research. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The 5th product on the list is the Cuisinart CPB300 Personal Blender. The compact portable blending/chopping system powerhouse does it all. Use the streamlined blender jar to make smoothies in a flash. Mince herbs or grind up flax in the chopping cup and whip up custom drinks right in the 4 Triton travel cups. Designed to fit anywhere, the compact portable blending/chopping system delivers big performance with a 350-watt motor and user-friendly electronic touchpad. The blender jar, chopping cup, and travel cups are all shatter-resistant and dishwasher-safe. New BPA-free Tritan from Eastman copolyester is used for the all vessels blender jar, chopping cup, and your travel cups. They are all shatter-resistant and dishwasher-safe. A real time saver, cleanup and maintenance become simple chores. The 4th product on the list is the NutriBullet Pro Plus Personal Blender. 100% more power than the original NutriBullet. Means better nutrient extraction while taking up the same amount of countertop space. All new pulse button and auto shutoff. Provides the right consistency for chunky textures like salsas and hands-free 60-second blend time. Hassle-free cleanup. Simply rinse the blade with soap and water, and the cups are top-rack dishwasher safe. Maximize your food's nutritional potential with the NutriBullet Pro Plus Edition. This exclusive NutriBullet duration adds more extraction power, more convenience, and more functionality to the original NutriBullet you know and love. With its 1200-watt motor, pre-programmed pulse cycle, and hands-free auto shutoff which shuts off automatically after optimum extraction. The NutriBullet Pro Plus even further pulverizes the toughest of ingredients including fresh turmeric root, blackberry seeds, wheatgrass, kale and more. The 3rd product on the list is the Magic Bullet Blender. The Magic Bullet chops, mixes, blends, whips, grinds and more, all with a simple twist of the wrist. Our included recipe guide can help you make quick, easy, and delicious dishes from appetizers to desserts. Just load your ingredients into the cup, twist on the blade, line up the tabs and place on the power base. Simply rinse with soap and water. The cups are top-rack dishwasher safe. The Magic Bullet Blender and food processor takes up minimal counter space, while showcasing maximum speed and versatility. Make the perfect smoothies and milkshakes, frozen cocktails, and pureed soups super easily. And with a wide array of dishwasher-safe attachments, cleanup is as easy as it gets. The 2nd product on the list is the Hamilton Beach Personal Creations Blender. If smoothies and protein shakes are a staple in your diet, life just got a little easier. The Hamilton Beach Personal Creations Blender with travel lid lets you blend and run. Since the blending jar is also a travel mug with lid, there is no need to find the right cup or spend time cleaning up the blender before leaving the house. Instead, just remove the jar from the base, and you're ready to go. Simple one-touch blending and durable stainless steel blades make for fast, consistent results. Compact size makes it the perfect blender for home, office, or while traveling. The 14-ounce travel mug includes measuring marks up the side, and it fits most car cup holders for safe, secure transport. When you're done with your drink, the cup and lid can be safely run through the dishwasher. The 1st product on the list is the Oster My Blend. The Oster My Blend blender is an individual-sized blender and sport bottle-in-one that is designed to fit your active, fast-paced lifestyle. With quick and convenient one-touch blending, you can create your favorite smoothies, protein shakes, and more to enjoy at home, on a run, or at the office. The easy-to-use My Blend allows you to personalize the contents of your blended beverage and control the ingredients. Simply fill the My Blend Sport bottle with ingredients from your favorite recipe, blend, and go about your day. Once you have enjoyed your smoothie or protein shake, you can reuse your My Blend Sport bottle throughout the day to stay hydrated with water and other beverages. Thanks for watching this video. Please leave a like if this helped you out, and if you have any questions please leave them in the comments below. Subscribe for more content, and I hope to see you next time.